Today we will learn what are keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts are a way to make our work easier. So let's learn keyboard shortcuts. We'll move on to keyboard shortcuts. Here you can see all of them with keyboard shortcuts. And if you want, you can customize it according to your own wishes. Read and remember all these very carefully. This way you can understand which keyboard has which effect. Here I press Shift 6 on the keyboard. This will bring up the audio mix panel. And pressing Shift 5 from the keyboard will bring up the effects control. If I press Shift 7 from the keyboard, it will bring up the effects. If I press C from keyboard, it will bring razor tool. If I select all then hit Shift and delete, then it will be deleted and the space will be filled. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.